This week at Haas, we had the opportunity to see the behind the scenes of many of NASA's missions and hear many inspiring speakers. On Monday, we visited NASA's deep space habitats and saw the Smart Habitat, Wearables Lab, and Simulation Informatics. We also learned the many opportunities at NASA from speaker John Rangel and explored old pre-mission testing simulations at the Shuttle Avionics Integration Laboratory. However, the Alphanauts' favorite part of the trip was building and launching model rockets from a JSC runway. With the sunset providing a picturesque background, we covered the bases of a typical rocket launch, from launch prep to launch tracking to recovery and recording.
We also were given the task of creating a preliminary design review for going to Mars. In it, we described the 4 phases needed to get the job done: the pre-supply mission, Earth to Mars orbit, descent to and ascent from Mars, and finally, Mars orbit to Earth. Because of the difficulty of the mission, we chose to have the Orion capsule dock with an interplanetary vehicle to house the astronauts during their long voyage.
I used Tinkercad to design a 3D printed tool for use in space. The tool includes 9 different wrench heads, as well as a belt loop and a wire cutter.
Our mentor this week was the dedicated, encouraging, and ever-competitive Miss Hushfield. When the long days and challenging projects produced stress and roadblocks, she was there to push us forward and remind us that we could do it. When things didn't go how we expected them to, she was there to remind us it was okay. We're so grateful to have had her leadership.
We have learned a plethora of lessons in the past week, but possibly the most important for Team Alpha was teamwork. Through stressful team meetings and imminent deadlines, we learned the importance of planning and delegation before we began work. We learned how to communicate better and how to update each other through misunderstandings. Though this week may be over, teamwork will continue to follow us in our education, careers, and relationships.